Hi tattoo lovers, welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today's collection is truly powerful, spiritual, and filled with deep meaning. We are showcasing 49 powerful Jai Sri Rama tattoo ideas with deep meaning. If you are someone who believes in strength, righteousness, and devotion, this video is just for you. Let's begin. Jai Sri Rama is not just a name, it is a symbol of Dharma, courage, truth, and divine protection. Many people choose this tattoo not just for style, but as a lifelong spiritual connection. Starting with the first few designs. Simple Jai Sri Ram script tattoos. These are minimal, clean, and powerful, perfect for forearm, wrist, or chest. Even a small script carries a huge spiritual impact. We have bold calligraphy styles. These designs use strong strokes, sometimes inspired by Sanskrit or Hindi lettering. They stand for strength and confidence, ideal for those who want their faith to be visible and bold. Moving on to Lord Rama silhouette tattoos, a calm standing pose holding the bow. This design represents discipline, patience, and divine leadership. Some designs include a sunset background or forest elements, giving it a mythological feel. Now let's talk about Rama with bow and arrow tattoos. This is one of the most powerful symbols. The bow represents focus. The arrow represents action. Together, they remind us to stay focused and strike only when the time is right. Another beautiful concept is Ram Nam repeated pattern tattoos. Small Ram scripts repeated in a pattern forming a larger design. This symbolizes continuous remembrance of God, a very spiritual and meditative tattoo idea. Next, we have Hanuman with Jai Sri Ram tattoos. Hanumanji is the greatest devotee of Lord Rama. These tattoos show loyalty, strength, and unbreakable devotion. Some designs include Hanuman tearing his chest, revealing Ram inside. A truly emotional and powerful visual. Now, coming to Arrow plus Jai Sri Ram minimalist tattoos. Just a simple arrow with the text, clean, modern, yet deeply meaningful. Perfect for youngsters who want a subtle spiritual tattoo. Let's explore Ram Mandir inspired tattoos. These designs reflect faith, culture, and history. A temple outline with Jai Sri Ram adds a patriotic and devotional touch. We have 3D and realistic tattoos. Detailed portraits of Lord Rama with sharp eyes, calm face, and divine aura. These tattoos require skilled artists, but the result is absolutely stunning. Now for those who love symbolic tattoos, bow arrow, footprints, or tilak designs with Jai Sri Ram. Each symbol carries meaning. Footprints represent following the path of righteousness. Tilak represents purity and devotion. Moving further, we have band-style arm tattoos, wrapping around the forearm or bicep, with repeated Jai Sri Ram or small arrows. These designs look powerful and give a warrior-like appearance. Fusion tattoos, combining Jai Sri Ram with Trishul, Om, or Chakra. These designs connect different aspects of spirituality into one powerful artwork. And finally, custom name plus Jai Sri Ram tattoos. People combine their name or family name with Jai Sri Ram, making it both personal and spiritual. Every tattoo you saw in this collection is not just ink. It is a belief, a protection, and a reminder to stay on the right path. Before you choose your design, always think about placement, size, and meaning, and most importantly, get it done by a professional artist. Because a tattoo is not just for today, it is for life. If you loved this powerful collection, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Tell us in the comments which Jai Sri Ram tattoo inspired you the most. And if you are planning to get one, we are here to guide you. Subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo ideas, meanings, and real tattoo transformations. Jai Sri Ram.